On this video, I am going to show you a very powerful investment strategy that you can apply. I will explain how this investment strategy works. Remember, I am not a financial advisor here. This is only based on my experience. Maybe you are now wondering, how did I come up with these ideas? How did I figure this out? You will understand later on how did I come up with these ideas. Hope this can help you a lot to grow your money in the fastest way. Simple but very effective to grow your money fast. This is what I promised in 2019, that the new content that I will include this year. Hope you will love the idea. Remember, everything that I will show you here in my channel are based on what I do and experience. If you plan to apply this strategy, remember to study first your market. And I have so much to share on this channel this coming days, so you can select the best business or investment strategy that will suit you. Hope this video will make an impact to your financial needs. Okay guys, here we go. Hope you fully understand my idea and explanation on this guide. Okay? On this investment strategy, you need at least a 3,000 to 2,500 initial capital, because of course this is an investment strategy. Okay? This capital is very little to start an investment. You agree, right guys? Now, let's say we have a 3,000 starting capital ready. Now, based on this diagram, you will need a lender. Okay, a lender. Yes, you heard it right. Someone that will lend from you and agree on our terms. Later, you will understand on how your money grow fast just using the simple strategy. You will see later how this diagram becomes so powerful that your money will grow so fast. On this diagram, you see I have distributed the 3,000 capital, our initial capital, to 500 each with 5% interest in whole term. This is very low with a term of 5 weeks to pay divided by on 5 payment every week. Okay guys, hope this is very clear. Our 3,000 capital is distributed to 6 heads with 5% interest and a payment divided by on 5 payment term. So the payment is scheduled every week. So as you can see, this guide is very simple. You start a capital, find a lender, distribute your capital on 6 to 5 person, and let him agree to the interest and a payment term of weekly and 5 weeks to get the full payment. On week 1, the first payment cycle, you will see how did I make it passive with just a little investment. You will see on week 1 and give you an idea on how this works. Week 1, our first payment cycle with 5% interest, payment weekly, and a term of 5 weeks. As you can see, 500 on each heads times 5% on total terms equals 525, divided by 5 weeks. So in every week, we must collect 105 on each heads. So on the first week, we must collect 105 on each heads. So the total is 630. Became so powerful, and it will grow your money fast. The main technique and the secret method of this is the most important move is to pass the collected amount to the new heads. So, on the first week, after we collected the first payment, we will additional one new person or head. So, we will distribute another 500 from the collection. So, we are left with 130. So, because we have additional one head. This is why before you apply, you must study first your market before you execute this technique or my idea. Because this is how the lending company works also. Okay? Hope you get my idea on what I am explaining. Hope you fully understand. Okay. Now, to make this passive, we must pass the collected amount to the new heads. So, we will additional one person and one new head from the collection. And we will get 500 from the collection. So, all in all now in week 1, we'll have 7 heads and we are left with 130 in our pocket. So, on week 2, we are now on 7 heads. Now, you can see your money grow just small. Okay? Because we had passed the collected amount to the new heads. This is the secret strategy here. Okay? You can see on week 2, this will grow so fast. Okay, we are now on week 2. This is the second payment cycle. Okay. Now we have on week 2 we have now 7 heads. From week 1 we have 6 heads. From week 2 it grows to 7 heads. Okay? On week 2 the 7th head will also receive a 5% interest with a 5 weeks payment term. Okay? Now, on week 2, we will collect all the 105 payment on each heads. So, we have collected 735 on week 2. We have remaining extra money from week 1, 130. Okay? Now, we will find additional head again, a new head, one new person, and we will get another 500 from our collected money and from the week 1 extra money. So, 865 minus 500, we have 365 left. This 500 will be allocated to our new head. Okay. The important thing and the strategy of this investment is to pass the collected amount to the new heads so that it will grow and grow and grow. It will grow non-stop. Okay? Pass the collected amount to the new heads. So, on week 2, we have new heads. So, all in all, in week 2, we have 8 heads now. He or she will also receive a 5% interest and a 5 weeks terms. Imagine on week 2, your money grow so fast. You have now 8 heads and your collection is 735 per week, and your collection will also grow on the third week. Okay, guys, hope you get idea on what I am explaining here. But before you implement any of this, study your market, who is your lender. The key here is the lender, and he or she must pay weekly. Okay? And the important move of all is to pass the collected amount to the new heads. This is the secret investment strategy technique here. Week 3, our third payment cycles. As you can see on week 2, we have 7 heads. Now on week 3, it grows into 8 heads. Imagine how your money will grow so fast on this on this strategy. But remember, before you apply or execute this investment strategy, study first your market. Who is the lender? Will the lender pay on the said time, on a said amount? You must study first your market, because you will grow non-stop if you execute properly this investment strategy. As you can see on week 3, the third payment cycles, we have 8 heads to collect a 105 payments on week 3. So by collecting those 105, we have 843. Our collection on that week, third week, plus 365 are extra money on the second week. We have 1,205 on week 3. This is the money now in our pocket. So we are eligible now to additional 2 heads on week 3. Imagine how your money grows so fast in that time frame. Week 1, week 2, and week 3. So if we have successfully additional 2 heads on week 3, we have 10 heads on week 4. Guys, simple investment strategy, but once you apply it and the money circulate, your money will grow so fast. This is guaranteed. I have tested this and it works. The money won't stop growing and the money will never end. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.